withdrawing from covering many coastal areas and those with higher risks of wildfires. With the Eastern Shore in Maryland having more than 3,000 miles of coastal line, this should raise some concerns, and not just for those living on or very near the water. It's Friday, September 8th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Most insurers say they will cut out damage caused by hurricanes, wind, and hail from auto, homeowner, and rental policies, and many have already withdrawn entirely from California and Florida. Why should we be concerned up here in Maryland? The Chesapeake Bay region is one of the places at risk for a higher than average sea level rise, and the Eastern Shore predictably will feel the most intense impact of this rise. With the global climate shifts causing higher incidences of flooding, weird weather, hailstorms, hurricanes, and tornadoes, Maryland is getting its share of damage from these incidents. As these incidents become more regular and cause more damage, this could mean that insurance will cost more to obtain, impacting the housing market. If insurers withdraw or exclude coverage for this type of damage, mortgage lenders won't finance purchases. Policies being renewed may reflect changes and/or higher costs now, so be sure to review your policy to verify what it does and doesn't cover so you aren't surprised when you actually need it. On the inventory side of the housing market, a few more homes came on the market over the past week on the Eastern Shore. More went off the market, canceling out any real gain in inventory for buyers. There are currently 1,263 for sale on the shore. 81 properties are coming soon for sale. 195 came to the market since last report. 67 went under contract. 86 moved to pending. 152 sold in 11 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home sold this past week was in Stevensonville for $2,150,000. Available rentals are few at only 84 for the entire shore, priced at a median $2,150 per month. If you are a prospective renter, be sure to watch this week's Annapolis report regarding a new trend in rental fees. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, September 8th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be safe, have a super weekend, and I'll see you next week.